Yeah, there's a door there. Just keep walking. Walk for it. Just keep, there's a seat. Just take the seat here. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Now open your eyes. It's cool, eh? Do you like it? I'll just shut the door.
Oh yeah, this place is really nice, you know. A candle.
Yeah, that's my candle. I got it myself.
Oh, it's vanilla?
Chocolate flavoured.
Nice.
Hey, this is nice, Sniff. Yeah, this is cute. Oh, kia ora.
Oh, cool. Look, we practiced.
Sorry. Bonjour, welcome tonight. I am Pierre.
Uncle, get the food.
I will go get the food. Menu. Hold on, right there.
Yeah, sorry about my uncle. He's a little bit weird.
Uncle?
Oh, I mean the waiter that I paid a lot of money, like heaps.
Oh, waiter. Oh.
Sorry about that, Niff. Oh, sorry. I have cashews here for you. Here you go. Put your hand out. And there you go, sir. I'll give you some more, Niff. There you go. And thank you.
Sorry, I kind of spent all the money on the candle.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Yes.
Does Tanis ever talk about me?
He doesn't really talk about you. I don't think he actually likes you. Why?
Oh, no. No reasons.
Oh my fucking god. Yes. Yes.
Oh, who's that?
It's that fucking Tanis.
Oh, fuck.
Is that you, Tanis? Tanis! What are you doing? Stop moving!
Fuck, it's, George! Who the fuck is George?
Tanis, what are you doing here?
I didn't know. Bye. Get him away, get him away.
Tanis?
Apparently there's cops coming around.
Did you say you wanted to fight me? I don't love you, I want to break up.
Okay guys, today we're gonna do a good deed and clean up some shops.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Can you find a plug for this vacuum? Right here?
Where do you want to use it?
Yeah, we'll just use it. You got it? Sweet. Turn that fucker on. Sweet. Man. Just doing some kind deeds today, you know? I thought your store might need a bit of a clean. Does that kind of stress you out, having to clean the shop?
Oh, no, I just do all the time.
Oh, sweet. Do you own a vacuum? Does it work well? Sweet.
That's alright, don't worry.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
I'll just get this a little bit right here. Okay. Can you unplug it?
Thanks.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just vacuuming. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I want to vacuum. I'm doing a good deed.
No, sorry. Sorry, you can't enter in my shop, man. Oh, you can't enter in my shop.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll leave. I'll leave. I'll leave. Oh, fuck. Okay.
Daniel. Fucking, we were filming this fucking, The fucking prank with the fucking vacuum, and apparently there's cops coming around. They literally called the cops, and then the cops came out and seen us, and we were like, fuck, we just ran because we didn't know what to do. The cops actually turned up here, and they've been like going around looking for us. So we're just gonna chill up in the office.
Fucking two of them. These fucking two.
Okay, guys, today we're gonna be doing interviewing.
Okay, we're interviewing people with talent.
I forgot how to say interviewing.
And also, we got Nikolai's cousin.
Hey. What's your body count?
Body count? Nah, I'm not answering that one.
What's your body count? Oh! Okay. What's the biggest cock you've laid your eyes upon?
She'll see it tonight. She'll see it tonight.
Okay. Okay. Housing.
Huh?
Hey, Gizagwasan.
No, that I'm giving up.
Tweet.
And I'll see you here in 2 hours for the Granny Smith apples.
Yep. Okay.
Sorry, my boyfriend. Sorry, I've got to go.
Okay, ready? Finish the line. How many apples can I eat? How many backpacks can I pack? Well, okay, now you just have to improvise a little bit more and say more than 10 words. I would
suck your mum.
If I was a giraffe,
I would eat your kids.
James. Penis.
How much lollipops did you suck today?
Lollipops? 10.
10! Holy heck!
Have a good day.
Wait, are you guys TikTokers?
No.
I need to be on TikTok, come on, please.
Oh, I'm about to go to a guy's house and do...
Sex.
Fucking Moses!
Oh, Moses!
This is my homie right here. What's your name?
My name is Gilazin.
What?
Gilazin.
This is my homie Gilazin.
Finish the line. Once upon a time, I
Fuck the nana.
and we're gonna go live today at a thing.
Alright, so Michael. James. Mia. Khalifa.
How do I get a girlfriend?
Be a feminist, don't be misogynistic.
Listen, bro, I'm gonna be honest. Don't shave your fucking head, bro. Like,
That's his girlfriend.
Just be really polite, like, you know, like. Why you take the mic? They're not like objects, you know. Just like I don't know, show them a good time, you know.
Guys.
The Wasted Club or something. Yeah. R.I.P. that pussy. Hey.
What does that look like?
It looks like a shampoo bottle. But it looks like you need to wash your hair because it's a bit greasy.
Rate me from 1 to 10.
I think he's a bit of a 6.5.
Okay, rate yourself 1 to 10.
I think I'm a 10 because
What the fuck? That's cap.
This interview with Lucreza. She's from Lucreza.
Everyone gets it wrong.
See, I'm smart. That's why. This is a bit weird now. Please, God, help me. I'm pretty sure someone said that you had like a boyfriend. Now you're like, ah, okay. All right, let's go then. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram.
And we're done with the interview. Everyone have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much.
To smash any of these boys in the waist of the crew, who would it be?
Nixon.
True!
Nixon.
Why?
Because he's sexy. Because he's famous.
Tom.
Brady.
Ford.
Rebecca.
Johnson.
Mia.
Khalifa. Wait.
Oh nah. Oh nah.
I know another man.
Okay, what's your favorite category on the hub?
Blonde.
Cousins. So her
We're cousins.
uncle's my dad.
We're cousins?
Her uncle is your dad, and your uncle is my dad. Yeah.
So you've been hanging out with her uncle. What's my name, boys?
Jonathan!
Yeah, Jonathan. Let's go. Shout out to the brothers. If you were in South Auckland and someone came up to you and was like, gee, give me your money, what are you going to do?
One outside.
Oh, geez, just if you're having a fight, right? What's the first thing you're gonna do? Are you gonna kick? You're gonna punch? Or are you gonna like? Are you gonna yell? Show them.
I forgot. Right hooked you.
Wowzers, that was trash. Hey. Even worse. Yeah, my man, that was on. You would definitely knock someone out. Do you have a vagina or a penis?
I have both, like one.
Hermaphrodite?
Yeah.
Conditioner. Come on, you want some conditioner? Oh, whoa. I didn't. He pulled it on. Oh, okay, so. Oh no. It just looks like you had bird shit on your hair. Turn around, show the camera.
Oh, are you posting this on TikTok, Al?
Make your hair fall out.
Oh, really?
Oh my god, she's video.
How many apples can I?
Fit in an Enoch.
So, if you guys remember, we got done with the Yuck food challenge. Now the tables are turned. Me and Judah are gonna go into the shop behind us. We don't do paid promotions, so fuck that. We're not gonna name it.
They freaking got us last night, especially with that freaking, what is it, fish oil?
That fish oil.
That fish oil and that chili. So, shame.
War started. Let's go.
We got some what is this, barbecue marinated mix? Is that edible?
Well, who cares?
Oh wow. I reckon, eh?
What's that?
Fuck, I don't know what it is, but hot and sour. Bro, this better burn their assholes.
And the cheap ones. Just these ones.
Yes, sardines. Nixon hates fish.
Sardines.
Sardines.
Dried fungus slice. Some tom yum sour paste. And sardines.
Sardines.
We'll give them something that they know what they're tasting, and we'll give them at a start and be like, okay, now you got the nice thing out the way, the rest is hell. We also got an eggplant.
Nixon hates fish, so I reckon the sardines are really gonna get him. We crack a mess. Let's go. Are you ready?
No. Where the fuck am I?
We're gonna go into the kitchen now.
I feel like I'm already about to vomit from whatever I smell. It smells like mussels or something.
Are you ready? First item. Hold out your hand.
Yeah.
Just tell us what that feels like.
The fuck is that? Fuck this.
1, 2, 3.
Oh fuck, that's easy. What the fuck? This feels like bugs or some shit. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
What the fuck is that? Is this even edible?
Yep.
What the fuck is that?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Open your mouth.
Is it a spoon?
Let's put it in front of your face.
No. What the fuck is that? Like fucking ginger or some shit?
Did you mean just dissolve?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
This is spicy, eh?
No, it's your mess.
What the fuck was that? Fuck this, I hate this now.
Are you ready?
Why are they all on spoons?
No,
No. Hold this.
Give me some like fucking drugs or something. I'll just take this and fucking fall asleep. What the fuck is this?
1, 2.
The fuck? Dude, I don't even know what that tastes like, but all I'm getting is fucking all the other fucking shit that I just ate. Ah, fuck.
How are you feeling, Nixon?
I'm getting my flavors back.
Alright, honey. Open wide. I'll feed you this one.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Fuck you. The fuck was that? Fucking fish or some shit, eh? What the fuck? Is it an eggplant?
Gotta munch it, G.
I've never eaten eggplant before. Gee, what does eggplant taste like? It smells like fucking fishy vagina or something.
Chomp it.
Screenshot.
I think he just found his new favourite snack.
Well, it's not too bad.
Alright, that's it.
Alright. So what we have here, Nixon, is the first item. The first item we ate was a shrimp trip.
What the fuck are these?
Fungi. So that was fungi.
What is this?
You had.
That's what's important to know.
No, this is the one you spewed, which was fucking macaroon.
Macaroon.
Oh. Look at that. That's literal vomit.
Oh, fuck it. GG's, brother. Let's just say we're very grateful that we went first because now we're playing this game. No one will ever play again.
We're not playing this game.
We're never playing this game again.
Are you fucking serious?
Yep, straight up. Alright, brother. Fuck, this is bad, huh?
Jump on that other side, or you?
Oh, that was like.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Is it a fucking cockroach? That's all good.
Hand out.
Which one's this? What is it?
No. Yeah, cuz.
The fuck? That's like spider legs.
Cuz we went to a fucking Japanese shop in fucking Hamilton, not fucking France.
How am I supposed to eat this?
Check it in your mouth.
Like vineyard vines or some shit?
Alright, this one's on a spoon. I'm gonna spoon feed it to you, okay? It's not that much. Open your mouth. Open! Open it, you fuck! Open it! What are those lips up to, G? There you go.
Feels like an olive. Maybe it's a hard raisin. Maybe it's a bean. Are these edible?
Yeah, if the Japanese mud doesn't have
Fuck, is this a rock?
Nice.
Yeah, okay.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth, ready? 3, ready? What the fuck? This guy's the Terminator, I swear. Nah, he's trembling. I can see his mouth trembling. He's like, oh nah.
You put so much in there.
Nixon's vomiting and all. This guy's like.
Oh my gosh.
How about that?
I can tell what you're doing. Are you putting like a shit ton of shit on one thing?
No. One big scoop.
Yeah.
Exactly, a big scoop.
Yeah.
Of one thing.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Open your mouth, ready?
Is this muscle? Is this edible?
Yeah.
What the fuck is this guy made out of?
Bro, this guy's made out of fucking. What the fuck, G?
Alright.
Open your mouth. Fuck him. He's dumb. He's fucking dumb.
What is that?
Gee, he's actually fucking.
Did you have like proper dinner growing up and shit?
Oh, he just like. There it is! Fucking
Fuck.
knew it!
The last one was pretty disgusting.
How's about. Nah, take it off. It's finished now. How's about you like fucking. Tom
You couldn't hack an eggplant.
Yeah. How's about you like.
Oh, it was an eggplant. What the fuck?
How's about you are all good with hot and sour paste, right?
You can't eat vegetables. How the fuck can you not eat vegetables?
Well, I don't know what the fuck that was.
Fuck, this game's over, G.
What the fuck?
Oh, then the glow.
Honestly, it was really good, but honestly, I thought the eggplant was like some raw seafood, straight up.
Some more seafood.
Yeah.
You ate the mackerel and didn't think seafood. 2 + 2 not having fucking taste buds apparently, you having ass bitch.
We're going to be messing with some people. Nikolai's going to receive a call from someone who wants to fight him, and then he's going to walk away. He's going to describe this person's color of clothes.
Yo, what's up? You wanna fight? The fuck? Fuck you. Nah, I'm at Albert Park. Where are you? I'm just sitting here. I'm just sitting on a bench. Yeah, I'm wearing a puffer jacket, yeah. Come find me.
Did you say you wanted to fight me?
Huh?
Did you say you wanted to fight me?
No. Is that a hidden camera? Because I heard your friend say, oh, I'm sitting on a bench and I'm wearing a puffy jacket.
Who's my friend?
Some dude with black hair. He was just here 5 minutes ago and he's gone that way. But no, I'm not.
I like your puffer jacket.
Oh, thank you.
What size are your shoes?
43, I think.
Alright, that doesn't fit me anyway. Where am I? I'm at Albert Park. Yeah, I'm sitting with my girlfriend. I'm wearing a grey hoodie and I'm wearing a tracksuit with brown overalls. And my girlfriend's wearing white pants and she's wearing a white jumper. Yeah, I'm at Albert Park, yeah.
Didn't you call me?
No. Oh, was that your friend? Oh, I saw someone like calling her.
It wasn't you?
No.
He was wearing a black hood.
He went that side.
Actual? It's not you.
No. Wait, why?
Because he said he was with his girlfriend.
Wait, yeah, it was that guy standing there. He was standing there calling. And he went off that
Wait,
side.
was he like big? Can you tell me if he was big?
He wasn't that big. Why?
Because he was like, this is
Like
my
your-
whole
your-
family
yeah,
and
like
shit.
Your size.
My size?
Roughly, I'd say. Like.
So you think
roughly.
I could beat him up?
Oh, I don't know. Wait, why? Wait, what?
He was like dissing my whole family, man. I swear, fuck. Like he described to me, like I called him, right? Like, cause I got his Instagram and he unblocked me and shit.
Yeah.
And I called him up and he was like describing me to everything that like you dressed up like that and shit.
Oh, he was literally looking at me and like impersonating me. That's crap.
Oh man.
Wait, so what's happening? Like, it's been a scrap here.
It's just my family, eh? That was kind of personal. Do you know what way he went?
So after he was just standing here,
Yeah.
looking at us while calling you, and then we were laughing because like he was saying, "Oh, I'm with my girlfriend," and he
He
said,
thought he
"Just
wasn't talking to anyone.
Yeah, and then he went off that side.
Alright.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good day, man. So it wasn't you.
Of course it's not me. What the heck?
Stay safe.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Slap or Say. We are here with the most beautiful, the most amazing gal, Taisha.
Kia ora, kia ora.
How to play. There are 15 cards. 8 are red and 7 are black. If the opponent gets the red card, they either tell the truth or get a slap. If the opponent gets a slap, then the other opponent gets their card. If they get a black card, then you're safer. You're all good shit. The people with the most cards at the end of the game wins the match. And the loser gets a hiding now, mean ass whack-out with one of those things across the face. Paper, scissors, rock.
Yeah.
Paper, scissors, rock. Fuck you. Fuck! What the heck? Yes! Show me. Yeah, shame, bitch! First question. Of all of the girls Tanis has been with, who do you hate the most? Call her out.
I'm gonna call Melissa out because you're a fucking stupid
Oh!
bitch.
Who's Melissa? What's her last name, Tanis?
Stupid.
Melissa Johnson.
Fucking try to tell me shit about him owning you dumb bitch.
Fuck, don't catch those hands. You'll die. Fuck.
What's something that turns you on?
Turns me on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sexually.
sexually.
Yes.
Oh, wait, I'm not there. What the heck? Yeah, no.
Something that a guy does that turns you on.
You don't do that.
Farts in your mouth.
Don't steer.
Yeah, hard, eh? Guys, they give a good hug. They kind of like, when you know it's a good hug, you're like, I don't know.
I guess that works. I'll take that.
It's not much, eh?
It's alright.
Not
Yeah,
much,
alright,
eh?
I'll
Yeah,
take
fuck
that.
you. I didn't want to fucking get a hiding now. Should have just got the hiding done. What a dumb answer. Just.
Bro, who wrote this fucking queen? You fucking did it.
What's your body count?
Oh, that's real low. That's 4.
Oh.
Including tits.
It was all 4. No. Fuck.
If you had to kick anyone out of Hahana, who would it be?
I'll just take the whack, eh?
What do you want?
I'll just take the whack. Oh. Fuck.
Yeah, David.
Oh, okay. No! Fuck! She's Sam Morgan for Chandler. Oh, fuck. again. No. Fuck. Bitch. Yes, fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Who of your friends are you insecure about?
I'm gonna take a hiding, eh?
No! Yeah, it's so handy. Oh, fucking, can I go hati?
Don't you fucking hit me in the face.
No, hand. You know,
Hurry
we're
up,
still friends
hurry
after I
up,
say.
don't fucking-
We're still friends after I say.
Hurry up,
We're still friends? I don't want to play this game anymore. So, I don't know, I feel like that's a trap.
Do it.
Black! Fuck! Fuck!
So, Judo, who's the guy that you...
Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Hit me! Oh no! Oh wait, actually I'm gonna call him out.
Go on then. Call him out.
Fuck, wake me, bro. Wake me, I can't. Bad bitch energy? Call him out. Yeah, fuck that cunt. No, I can't. I feel sad. Oh no, because then everyone will talk about it. I don't want to bring him up again. I'm taking the hiding. Oh, true. My leg! I'm not even no warning, hey bitch. Fucking no warning, just fucking hit me, hey. I feel like we're going more heartier with these hits than the boys, eh?
Shit.
Black. Fuck!
Rate the boys best looking to worst.
Wasted, okay. Nixon, Tanis, Nikolai.
That's really easy. You already had that in your fucking history.
Yeah.
Take that.
You know, those model photos just really got me, you know. You're fuck. The whole thing is that they just rigged this freaking game. I want to ask you questions.
Nah. Who would you kill? Nixon.
Nixon. No.
Nixon or Vicky?
Nixon. Oh wait.
Oh no! Nixon or Vicky?
Fuck yous, man. Nah, but I love Vicky. She's like Fano is. Both Fano.
Oh, so just Nixon just moved.
And Nixon is like my brother.
Nixon just means nothing.
No, don't
Sorry, I'll take it.
Vicky or Nix. Fucking hide. Give me a hiding, bro. I love you both. Oh, here. Drew that. Okay, I'm ready.
Is that right?
And then you got the last shot.
Nice. Do it again. Oh, not the face, bro. No, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. It's okay, we're still friends. We're still friends. Oh, wait, straight back or ass?
You go, ready? Do it, ready. 3.
Fuck!
It does hit there.
And that will slap or say with the beautiful tie shirt. It sucks.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Alright, what's up guys? We're playing fair pong with Tanis and Nixon.
Yeah!
Woo! Woo! Under each cup we got a truth or a dare. If we don't want to do it, then we got a drink. But the thing is, we can't drink twice in a row. Winner gets $300.
I start, Shane.
Yeah, stand back.
Fuck.
What they used to call me back in the day was take that. Alright. Oh, it's a dare. It's a dare. What do we got?
Swear at your mum 5 times in one sentence.
So you gotta call her up.
Fuck bastard, bitch, fuck you, bloody asshole, motherfucker. What the fuck?
Because Nixon can't shoot for shit. Alright, anyway. So. You know what's the aerodynamics and the velocity of the Velociraptor?
Shush.
Ready? Oh, gee.
What the hell?
That's it. That's it?
Yeah,
Nice.
see?
Oh, I'm scared of. I'm proper. It's a truth. It's a truth. Who would you kill, Tasha or your mum? I know who I would, but I can't say it. Nah, Jack. I'll be honest there.
Just say it.
I'm killing Tasha just because it's my mum. I'll never put my hands on my mum. Hey, take that. Now you gotta drink that, boy. And Nixon, our best friend does the drink. Yeah. Why are you gagging on orange juice? Oh, wait, that might be my girlfriend. Just be like, bloody bastard bitch.
You have to swear.
Hello?
Fuck!
Shush.
Take that.
Get Tanis to spit or put a booger on a chip and eat it.
Oh!
There you go, I'll do it then.
You reckon?
Put it up your nose and I'll eat it.
No, I'm spitting on it.
Oh no.
Ready?
Nah, that's bullshit. Fucking no.
You know, all you gotta do is get one in. And
How about suck my nan?
Truth.
Wild card, you're safe. Shame! Take that!
Yeah.
Shush! Shush! So that means that drink stays there.
Oh, gee.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
That's it.
Truth. Alright. If you could get back with one of your exes, who would it be? Ho! Ho! Nah, none of them are. What is that? So if I say none of them, that's
drink.
it. I got a drink, hey.
Yeah.
But this card's gone. Drink that.
Ask your ex if you're keen for a root. Please don't answer.
Oh, gee, please don't.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi.
Are you keen on a root?
What?
Yeah.
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, good.
Chlamydia.
Ah! Bitch. Shush! Your mum!
Take that, you can drink it anyway. So that cup that he just like the there for means absolutely nothing.
Yes, sir.
Go my boy. I love you, Nixon.
I love you, Nick.
Oh, nice. It's there.
Let Nixon draw a masterpiece on your back.
I know exactly what he's gonna draw too.
That's the easiest one.
Do I not get to know what it is?
Turn around.
What is it now?
Nothing, but can I just post this on the story?
So you know that I'm not gonna move forward, really? Take that, drink that, drink that,
Put that water.
drink that.
Arch.
While you're at it, you can get ready to read that. Oh fuck. No. Oh no.
Read it.
Let Nixon cut your hair. Fuck off, G. No way.
Nah, just do that, it's awkward.
No, get fucked.
Go. Shush.
Yes.
Drink it. Shush.
Yeah, I can already tell. I gotta do this.
What is it? What is it?
I can't do that. Ring up my mum and tell her I hate her.
You have to.
You have to.
Nah, dude, I'm gonna cry. I genuinely can't tell. Yeah, I'll take 2 cups rather than call my mum up and say that. Yeah, nah, fuck that. Why didn't you let her bounce, your dog? Let's go. Oh, shit. Woo! Truths are better than theirs. What was the name of the last person you slept with, apart from Tasha and Rick, the 6 out of 10? A girl called Lily, and I'll say it was probably like a 5.
Okay.
What's the worst thing you've said or called your mum? Just bitch. Ah! Wait, can I actually get a reshuffle after this?
Drink it up, bastard bitch. Oh, you're going for the lazy star. Okay. Dear, call up Tasha and say I don't love you. I want to break up and hang up.
Hello.
I don't love you. I want to break up. Her last message was, I fucking adore you. Please call back. But I reckon you're gonna like struggle with that one, G, to be honest.
Who do you hate more, Vicky or Jay, and why? Anyway.
Fuck, did you say about my mum?
She's hot. Nah, no.
Bastard.
Ooh. And I gotta drink that one. That one's gonna be your hardest one. I'm telling you now.
Who would you kick from the Wasted crew and why?
Serious answers only.
I'd kick Nikolai. Sorry. Because I know these guys the longest and like, I don't know you as well as I know them. That's like, if I had to kick someone.
Nah, who cares? Go, shoot. You didn't get that. Bumblebee! Oh, fuck, you cunt.
Wild cunt.
Doesn't even... Take that in your ass.
Yeah.
Frick.
Drink
Oh.
it. Yes!
You know it's this one, eh? Oh, truth. Tell each of the Wasted members 2 things you heard about them. 2 things I don't like about Nixon is you cut people off and you can never admit when you're wrong. Nikolai, you pull out of shit and I still haven't registered your sense of humour. Okay, I hate your resting bitch face, okay? And I hate that you never stick to your diet. Genuinely. No, genuinely, because it fucks me off because she's like, oh yeah, I'm sticking to my diet. I'm like, solid, because I know it makes you happy when you're working out. Yeah. Fuck's sakes, I've got to drink that too. Sorry, you can just take that.
What's that one? Is it a deer?
Yeah, it's a deer.
Close your eyes for the next 2 shots.
Oh.
Smash those.
That's all good.
And it's so bad. It's so good that they came in now because it's hard.
Gotta drink that. Oh, nah, G!
Really?
Actually, I can say no to this though. Delete your TikTok account. You're bad.
Bro, that's why I said that's the
You're
worst
bad.
one.
You have issues.
No, shut up.
Drink that.
Nice one.
Shut the fuck up. Nah, that's fucking bullshit. No, that's
No, that's not! That's not! Explain to me how that's bullshit. Explain to me
I
how
was
that's...
drinking my cup.
Bro,
I had a shot.
That was such a good trick shot though, just do it.
It was perfect.
Wax a part of your body. Why didn't you put that for his one?
Yes, sir! You're the man! How do you do this?
Whoosh. Ah! No, fuck this, G. You have to do it fast.
Yeah, I got you.
3, 2, 1, 3. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh no! You can't.
Wait, ready?
No! What the fuck? This is like 3 Fuck! Look how red that shit is, G. There's still shit stuck to it. Get it off. You can't. Can you rip it off, please? No, stop sticking it down! Fuck! Fuck, who the fuck does waxing? It's fucking sticky and you feel like you got cheese on your fucking leg. The fuck, cunt?
Oh, I love this thing, but hey.
What the fuck?
Oh, fucking doom, bro. What is it?
Kill fuck, man.
That's so easy. Honestly, Nikolai, you're fired.
Judah, Tanis.
Read it again, sorry, because I was talking.
I'm gonna marry Judah, fuck Tanis, and kill Nikolai.
Fuck that sweat shit. Nice,
yeah,
brother.
and who's got the skill?
Honestly. Holy shit! Oh, no way! GG's.
Nah,
GG's,
surely
brother.
there's a
GG's,
redemption.
brother. No, fuck it. One shot. Let's go. You get 1 shot redemption. I'd just like to say, I'd like to thank my mother and my father because he just fucking lost the game of beer pong. Good games, brother. Good game. I would like to say thank you to my mum. Mum, from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart. Oh, jeez, can you fix that?
Fuck the camera up, cunt. Oh my fucking god. What have you done?
Okay. Love you, my brother.
Love you too.
Wouldn't have fucking played it with anyone else.
Can't wait to fucking.
Yeah, this means fucking war. Let's go!
Like this. That's it.
You remember John Hoskins? No. The old school Aussie. You remember John Hoskins, eh?
No, I don't know John Hoskins.
They used to do like all of these challenges. Need to fucking go. Oh, gee. Love you, Nixon.
Shut up. Don't push me into the wall.
No.
Oh. This beanie smells like shit.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, brother.
Oh, good brother. Explain to us why it is the problem.
Let me just... dairy...
You're lactose.
Lactose intolerant, and it's milk, obviously. So you're gonna make me drink it all?
Yes.
All of this?
Yes, mate.
What the fuck? I can't even drink all of that. I'm gonna vomit. Nah.
This one, just a normal skull, okay? This one, skull. If you then flip the cup and it lands up within your first 3, then you can miss this one. Then you gotta skull that. And then this one is a no hands slurpy slurpy.
I have to drink all this milk.
What? Not a
You know what's
skull.
funny?
That's a vortex.
It's only 2 litres though. Love you.
Am I starting now?
Give us some more teas.
Shame, you guys have to come with me the whole day and I'm gonna be fucking farting in your faces. Fuck, I hate milk in general.
Get that calcium, mate.
Nice, good on you. Also, might I just add, this is also half for Nixon. Someone had a few too many last night. A few too many orange juice. Arch your life, Nixon.
Ready?
Ah!
8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Why are we waiting? No,
I already feel sick.
Okay, now we'll give you double or nothing. If you get it in one shot, then you miss this one instead.
I'm not gonna say anything.
How's about 1, 2, 3, 4?
Just fuck off. I'm doing it,
There's only
bitch.
one ball.
Gee, I don't think I'll be able to jig that, honest.
That's just for our amusement,
yeah.
Ah, bitch.
Take it easy. Let's go, Nixon. You don't know how hard it is because he's like literally lactose intolerant. This is like literally the worst punishment you could probably get. Do you want some Milo cereal with that milk?
I think, yeah. Oh, fuck's sake.
Okay, next.
I'm just gonna go over here for a little bit.
How's that milk feeling?
Yum.
That's a whole waterfall!
Not only is this gonna come out of my mouth, it's gonna come out of my ass. You fucking liars! Fucking 2 litres of milk my ass is 4 litres! Fuck's sake, Nikolai. Let's go, hurry up.
Yes, Nixon! Oh, no, oh, Tanis, he's coming again!
So, spoon, motherfucker, spoon, motherfucker, spoon, motherfucker, spoon.
Fuck this.
Oh, shit! Up the wasted.
Oh, God. Ah, fuck. This one's for my mum, my dad, and the wasted crew. This one's for Judah. This one's for Tanis. Oh, fuck. This one's for Nikolai. Ah, fuck. Ah, don't know about Nikolai. Just you wait, fuckers.
He's still going. Holy fuck.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
I can't breathe.
Nice. Full wasted vomit in the container.
In the container?
Skull and sea vomit.
What?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, fuck it. Skull and sea vomit.
Fuck you, cunt.
Let's go, brother!
Let's go, Nixon!
Your mother raised the full sender.
She really didn't.
Go, my boy.
Let's go, Nixon.
Go, my boy. Oh, there it is.
But I don't
I'll give
think
you
I
10
can.
bucks if you fucking start, if you drink it again.
How about I give you fucking nothing and this is your now punishment, you have to drink this.
Oh, fuck.
Pussies, eh? Pussies. Yeah, anyways, ASMR for you brothers. Oh, that was close. I nearly got it on the mic. Do you reckon we could fill this whole thing up? Should we try it? I'm a little bit thirsty.
No fucking way, dude.
Did you just fucking drink it?
Of course I just drunk it, yum.
You are the man, G. That's it.
Good punishment. Oh, no, I don't touch you.
Yeah, come here. I'll give you a hug. I'll give you a hug.
You're the fucking man, bro.
I'm scared to lose a punishment
I
now.
don't like this now.
Peace. You're so beautiful. Sooner or later, my darling, we'll be together forever. Good night, my baby. I wrote this poem about us. Season 2. Just me and you. Give it a little kiss.